Hello, hello. LLC with Ty, welcome. Hope you guys had a wonderful week. Hope you are enjoying a beautiful and even more stupendous weekend. I cannot leave this place, bowling alley that is, without taking a few minutes just to say I had a really good time. Starting to get a little cloudy out here. Not as hot today though. Heat's coming, but it's not quite here. Definitely coming. Bees are enjoying themselves. Hope they stay on that side. Just wanted to take a minute and share with all of you that's tuning in today. Again, LLC, welcome friends from another lens. Welcome friends from another lens. LLC with Ty, living life in the culture. In the culture. I just wanted to share. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty out here today. It is just perfect. I think it's all of like a good 65, 70 degrees. I know some of you in this world are still dealing with the 35, 41, something like that, 29 degree weather, but it's absolutely beautiful here in Atlanta. So listen, y'all, just a few minutes of your time just to share with you today. Take a minute to yourselves, okay? No permission necessary. He's trying to park his car. Y'all, no permission necessary. Do not apologize. I don't care how much wealth you have, how much you make. If you are not taking that minute to enjoy yourself, what good is it? You're going to end up with all kind of health problems. Stress is a killer. I think by now, many of you know that. Take that minute. Take that minute to yourself. Do something for you. Just for you, about you, for you, with you. You can spend it with friends, family. That's fine. That's good. But make sure you take that minute. Make sure you take that minute for you. Again, said it before. I'm going to say it and continue to say it. You know how to take care of you. You can do it best. Nobody's gonna do it like you. So just do it. No apologies necessary. Take care of yourself. Do something for you, with you, for you, about you. Do it today. Put the pen down. Put the paper down. Push the computer to the side, laptop, tablet, whatever, what have you. Look at the plane. Do that. Take a minute to yourself. Friends, family, again, they're invited. That's great. Bring them along. However, make sure you do it. Just do that. Do that for yourselves. You deserve it. You don't need permission. But do it. Yeah. Okay, all right. Everybody's having a good time. It's beautiful out here. Like I said, getting a little cloudy. Not sure what it's about to do. But just remember what I said. Just checking in with y'all. Hope y'all having a wonderful weekend. Hope your week went well. That it went well. Hope things are all right. You and yours. And leave your comments, like, share, subscribe. And just share, is that something that you typically do? Do you take time for yourself? Or are you one of those that really, look out for others more than you any day? You find yourself not spending much time on you, about you, for you, not looking into your health, checking on, how well you're doing mentally, physically, keeping up with that. And it's your job. Again, nobody's going to do it like you can do it. Nobody's going to do it as good as you. Nobody's going to do it with the concern, and they're not going to get into it like you. They just not. You're going to be the best at it. So take a minute. Get your hair did. Get your nails done. Take a walk. Get out. Go bowling. Roller skating if you like. Go to the park. You could take the kids. That's cool. Yeah, that's fine. Family, friends, that's all good. Sit down. Put your feet up. Just be still. That's okay too. Just be still. Good music, good movie. Pop some popcorn. 2 scoops of ice cream. It's all good. Get your favorite. It's on you, boo. Take that minute. Enjoy yourself. I'm trying to get over this little slight cold. I don't think it's allergies. No, I'm good there. But do something for yourselves. I had a real good time right now. I'm headed out. It was fun. They got a little bit of everything in there. It's not just bowling. You know, you could bring the kids. They have drinks. Definitely lots of games. And, you know, it's fun. It's a nice atmosphere. And it's here in Atlanta. There's a few of them. Main Event, that's another one's really nice. Lots of games. I think they got the little laser tag in there and all. Yes, it's nice, real nice. So they have a lot of little fun things for the kids, but you know, the adults like myself, we tend to enjoy as well. So get out, it's beautiful, you know, take a walk, read a good book, watch a good movie, take a minute, a mental moment, a spiritual moment, a physical relaxation type moment. Because you owe it to you. The work will be there when you get back. I assure you, it will be right there. So, y'all stay up, stay good. Friends from another lens, this one's for you. If you already know this, you're already practicing, you're doing what's right, share with somebody that's not, okay? Share this, subscribe, like, comment. Your feedback is important. And again, I really hope y'all are having a wonderful weekend. Until next time, do something for you. It's okay. Do something for you. Be good.